Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by stopping the problem immediately. Quit Chrome and restart your computer to clear transient errors. Once done, open a private window. If the white screen disappears, an extension or cache is to blame. Next, disable all extensions and re-enable one at a time to find the culprit. If that fails, clear browsing data for the last 24 hours to remove a corrupt cached file. Make sure to keep passwords backed up before clearing site data. If basic steps didn't help, create a fresh Chrome profile because profile corruption often causes white screens. Once created, test browsing. A working profile means migrate bookmarks and settings. Next, reset experimental flags to default. Odd flags can break rendering. Then disable hardware acceleration. Some GPU drivers conflict with Chrome. After toggling that, relaunch the browser and observe rendering. If rendering improves, update or roll back your graphics driver to prevent recurring issues. For a final fix, export bookmarks and uninstall Chrome completely, making sure user data folder is removed. Then reinstall the latest stable version to replace damaged files. Also run system integrity checks, SFC on Windows or disk utility on Mac, and update graphic drivers to fix rendering bugs. If the issue persists, try a Chromium-based alternative temporarily and file a bug report including Chrome version, OS, steps you tried, and screenshots. If nothing works, this info speeds developer diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.